Hello everyone, welcome back. So I finished the last couple components of what I was going to put in this kit, and I had mentioned I was going to show it. This is what I would consider a repair kit that could have been used as far back as 1909. And there's one item in there that was invented in 1909, so that's why I say as far back as that. So a little over 100 years. Take that one item out and it could have been used for hundreds of years. So I have here just a wax canvas bag. This is actually a canvas paint tarp that I had for probably, I'm going to say probably 25 years. And I ran out of my duck cloth, and I just took a piece of this heavy canvas drop cloth and I made a wax canvas bag. So just to show you, you don't need to go out and buy any special stuff. Now obviously they wouldn't have had a piece of paracord and this little plastic stop here stay, but they would have been leather with a button or something. But let me pull some of this stuff out. You'll recognize a lot of this. We have our awl. We have our little patch knife. We have here some sap from a pitch from a pine tree, and I'll explain a little bit deeper as we go. We have a little scissor reminiscent of a blacksmith scissor. I actually have a video I didn't put out yet on this. We have a smaller awl. We have some fixin wax. And here we have some a sharpening stone and a little strop. And they would have had tins, all kinds of tins. And here we just have some scrap material. We have some wax canvas. That's that same canvas I was telling you about. Look, you can see some of the paint still on it. I have a couple strips of leather. So this would have been used, I feel, you know, something ripped, something tore, something got a hole in it, that they'd have the means to repair it. You know, this could be used, turned into a glue. Just need a little bit of charcoal and some fibers, rabbit pellets, the blacksmith scissor. Very interesting. I have a link in the description of when I put this video out on a great blacksmith making one of these. A little leather sheath. So they'd use that to cut the leather. Obviously a knife. Stitching awls. Not stitching awl, regular awls. And that leads me to the stitching awl. Now they wouldn't have had a nylon bag either, but so in here, I have some sinew. It's artificial sinew. They obviously would have had the real stuff. We got some wax thread, and we have the speedy stitching awl. These are great when you learn how to use them. So this was what was invented in 1909, and the same company still makes them. Then in here, I just have a bunch more thread. Big upholstery needles. They would have had sail needles. So just a little kit that I threw together that I felt would have been carried to, you know, repair their tent, you know, fix their saddle, repair a sheath, whatever they happen to have that they needed repairing with. And then the fixing wax, this is made from beeswax and beef tallow. You render the beef tallow and you add some beeswax. I put a link in the description on how to make this, but this could have been used for a lot of stuff. Waterproofing your, you know, your boots, waterproofing your clothes. It could be used for a treatment for your sheets if you had to. You know, wood on your stocks of your gun, on the metal of your gun. Something that they would have been able to make and carry with them. So there's probably some stuff I'm missing. I'd love it if you have any ideas of what else should possibly be in there, because that would be cool. And just drop me a comment below. And again, like I said, just a quick little kit that I threw together. for, you know, for repairs. So thanks everyone. I appreciate your views and I appreciate your comments, and I hope you're having a great day, and we'll see you on the next one.